the special YouTube series of your LRAB subject. As you can easily see that in today, that is 11 of February, a revision batch is going to be start. It is already started, the revision batch. So those aspirant whose aim is to just clear the 26, 27 and 6 March of exam, so this revision batch will be really give them the benefit. And plus revision batch, if you solve all the 3000 questions of PPB, AFP and LRAB, then I think you will definitely crack the exam. Okay, it's a surety. So that's why this revision batch plus 3000 question batch is very important one. Okay, now there is a little bit change in the English medium batch. Please don't mind. The new English medium batch, which was going to be start from I think 14 Feb, the date is now changed. Now 21st March your new English medium batch is going to be start. Why it is? Because only the postpone of this exam JAIIB. Okay, थोड़ा सा little bit change करना पड़ा because कोरोना की वजह से शेड्यूल आप लोग का चेंज हुआ. So that's why we have just shifted the time of English medium. Now this batch is going to be start from 21st March, and I think March to April the whole subject will be finished, so that in the May you can easily revise your all the 3 subject, and after that you can easily do the exam of May June. Okay, and just make a promise to yourself. Okay, just make a promise that yes, I have to crack this exam, that is in 2022, because in 2023 your LRAB subject is tata bye bye. So that's why this is a last opportunity. May June and also November December is there, but my aim is that in May June session just crack the JAIIB, and after that in November December session just grab the CAIIB, so that you can a both certificate will be just given to you in this year. So that's why just make a pledge that I have to crack this exam in 2022. Okay, now in 9 PM session we were doing the important sections of your act. This is very important, because the wordings of these important sections are the wordings of your bare act. Bare act means the law book. So that's why these session, the 9 PM session, is very important. We have already finished so many acts and their important section. So today we are just going to finish the Bankers Book Evidence Act 1891. Okay, before starting this important section, we have to understand the term that what is evidence and what is the role of bank in this act. See, suppose if any case is filed to the bank, if any case is sued on the bank, so in that case, what will bank produce? What will bank produce toward the court? So the bank will produce the document, which is very authenticate document, and these document will be termed as the evidence on the behalf of the bank. So this is exactly the real meaning of your Bankers Book Evidence Act. Now we have to discuss what are the documents which comes under the books. What do you mean by the term evidence? So many definition terms. First of all we will discuss, and after that the important sections of this act we will discuss. Okay, now be ready. The first one, what is company? So exactly, the company means any company which is defined in section 3 of the Company Act 1956. So much old act. We have to amend this act, but still we have to do the 1956 definition, and it includes the foreign company within the meaning of 591 Act. So we have to remember, company means simply Indian company plus foreign company. You have to remember the company of definition in that way. Okay, now what is corporation? Corporation means any body corporate established by any law for the time being force in India. Okay, so corporation means body corporate plus Reserve Bank of India plus State Bank of India plus any subsidiary bank. So this is the exact definition of the term corporation. In that way you have to write in your one-liner copy. if you really want to crack this exam, this is a way in which you can crack the exam. So no need to learn all these terms again and again. So that's why if today is 11 February, so just make a notes of today's class in your copy so that you can easily revise your copy. No need to open this online session. Okay, now next one. What is bank and banker? So see what is given. Any company or corporation carrying on the business of banking. Okay, any partnership or individual to whose books of the provision of this act shall have extended, or any post office, saving bank or money order office. So this is the meaning of bank and banker in this definition, because the bank have to produce the document in front of the court, the banker have to produce the document. So what is exactly bank and banker? This is the exact definition. So a company, first one, the partnership, and the post office, etc. Okay, now what is banker's book? This is very, very important. This is very, very important. What is banker's book? So banker's book include the ledger, day book, cash book, account book, and all other book used in the ordinary business of banks. So the half marks question can come that suppose four option will be there and they will ask what includes in banker's book. So you have to remember this thing. So only it's a ledger, day book, cash book, account book. ACDL, LDC, LCD. Oh, just remind LCD, LCD, and A account book, AB. Oh wow, A, B, C, D, and you can say L, A, B, C, D, and L, or either you can remember. Just wait. A, B, it's a CD. Just see a trick to learn what's included in banker. AB is, just make a hyphen. This is account book. L is ledger, C is cash book, and D is day book. See, I think you have learned what includes in banker's book. AB, LCD, right? So in that way, this is the way in which you have to just write, one-liner copy. Okay, so AB, LCD. Good. What is legal proceeding means? So legal proceeding means any proceeding or inquiry in which evidence is or may given. Okay, legal proceeding means simply court. Legal means court. We have to go to the court for the justice, and it includes also an arbitration. Now see, so legal proceeding includes the proceeding of court. Second one, the proceeding of the term arbitration. What is arbitration? Arbitration is the alternate dispute resolution system. See the difference between court and arbitration. In court, we have to follow all the procedure. First of all, we have to pay the fee. Then we have to approach to the court. Then the argument will be then. So much, step we have to follow in the court. But arbitration, what is arbitration? We do not have to follow the procedure of court. Simply arbitration. In the arbitration, the parties will appoint a person who will settle their case, and that party will be called an arbitrator. So legal proceeding includes court, arbitration, any investigation or inquiry under the Code of Criminal Procedure. So see, investigation is always done by police, and inquiry is always done by magistrate. Remember this. Investigation always police, inquiry by magistrate. So legal proceeding include these four things. Just write these four words in the legal proceeding. That's it. Okay. Now, or any other law for the timing, force, collection of evidence conducted by police officer, etc., etc. Okay, this is so important. Not so much important. So simply just note down these 4 points in the legal proceeding. Next, court. Court means person or persons before whom legal proceeding is held. So court means simply where we have to represent the case. Judge means, this is important, Banker's book definition is important, judge is important. So judge is High Court Division Judge. That's it. Done. What is trial? Trial means any hearing before the court at which evidence is taken. That is called trial. Okay. Any hearing before the court at which evidence is taken, that is called trial. Trial can be categorized as summary trial, warrant trial, etc. But you do not have to learn all this trial. Okay. Now, certified copy. This is important. So, the definition of banker's book is important. Definition of this point, judge is important, and definition of certified copy is important. Okay, just see what is certified copy. Certified copy means simply an authenticate copy. What I say? An authenticate copy is called certified copy. Suppose the bank is there. See, certified copy means suppose the bank is there. If the bank is representing any document, so that document should be certified. So certified means should be verified by the higher manager. Okay, that is called certified copy. So it means a copy of any entry in the books of a bank together with a certificate written at the foot of such copy, that is true copy of such entry. Okay, that is called certified copy. And this should be made under the usual and ordinary course of the business. The exact definition of the term certified copy. Done? Next, etc. So many things are given. So what I have told you, certified copy means the authenticate copy which is signed by the higher authority with seal and stamp. That's it. Done? Now, power to extend the provision of act. Now see, who have a power to extend the provision? So the state government. This is the important line. Power to extend. Extend means to just broad the provision, broad the sections of this act. So who have a power? The state government may time to time by notification in the official gazette extend the provision of this act to the book of any partnership or individual carrying on this is etc. But you have to remember, who have a power? The state government have a power. That's it. The state government have a power. Got it? Now, and with the 30 and keeping a set of not less than 3 ordinary accounts book, namely cash book, day book, journal, ledger, same thing. The banker's book documents, that's given in this one. Okay, so in this third section, you have to remember the state government have power to extend the provision if they require. Okay, next. Mode of proof of entries in banker's book. What it say? Mode of proof of entry. See, before starting this, we have to understand what do you mean by the term proof and what do you mean by the term evidence. They both terms are different meaning. Okay, so see, first of all, see the one quotation. Evidence are the bricks to make the wall of proof. Oh, evidence are the bricks to make the wall of proof. It means, suppose the bank is representing these documents. These document is presented by the bank. Okay, so these documents are the evidence, and now these evidence are present before the court to prove that the bank is not liable. That is exactly the meaning of evidence and proof. So evidence are the bricks. So various evidence we collect and present before the court. Now the court will decide. Now the court will, by seeing the evidence, they will see the evidence and just give the decision that, oh, bank is not liable. So that is a basic difference between the evidence and proof. So what is the exactly line say? Mode of proof of entries in bankers. So a certified copy of any entry in the banker's book shall in the legal proceeding be received as the prima facie evidence. This is very, very important. Very, very important section. What we have to present before the court? A certified copy we have to present. in the legal proceeding. Okay, and that certified copy will be treated as the prima facie evidence. Prima facie is a word. Prima facie is a legal maxim. It means on the face of it. On the face of it. That is called prima facie. Got it? What is prima facie? Prima facie means on the face of it. So by seeing the certified copy, the court will easily recognize that, oh yeah, this is the certified copy. Now we do not need to take any evidence regarding this certified copy. So these certified copy are the prima facie evidence of existence of the such entry and shall be admitted as evidence of the matter, transaction and account, etc. So this 4 point is very, very important. Please note down this. Any question can come from this 4 point. Next, cases in which officers of bank, this is also, see, in definition terms, 3 are important. Definition of certified copy, banker's book and judge definition. Section 4 is important. Section 5 is important. Section 5 it say, when the officer of the bank is not compellable to produce the books. When? See, a very one line you have to remember. No officer of a bank shall in any legal proceeding to which bank is not a party. Those students who are just doing the multiple question of LRAB, questions come from these paragraph. Say yes or no in the comment box. Prima facie, I think you have done. Certified copy, questions, question from banker's book. So always question will come from these section. So that's why please remember and see, these are the wordings of, wordings of the law books. I have not copied it. I have just put the law book in front of you so that you can easily remember these things. See what exactly the parliament have made regarding this one. So section 5 say, when the bank will not a party, so nobody can compel the bank to come in front of the court to say anything about bankers. So when the bank is not a party, will not be compelled to produce any banker's book, the content this, etc. That's it. Got it? Section 5. I think section 5 is clear to all of you. Done. Inspection of book by order of court. Now see what is written. On the application of any party to a legal proceeding, the court or a judge may order that such party be at liberty to inspect, take copy of any entries in a banker's book for any purpose of the proceeding. Inspection by the order of court, by the order of judge. Judge means High Court judge. In that way, you have to remember these things. Okay. Just read out this all, okay? So, inspection, order the court. Now, may order the bank to prepare and produce within the time specified in the order certified copy of all such entries, accompanied by a further certificate that no other entries are to be found in the book, etc. This is important. An order under this or the preceding section may be made either with or without summoning the bank. Summoning means call letter to the bank to come. Call letter to the bank. And shall be served in the bank 3 clear days, exclusive bank holiday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If the holiday will come, it will exclude. So please remember this point. 3 clear days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Before same is not obeyed unless the court shall this. Okay. The bank may at any time before time limited for this give notice. Okay, etc. Only you have to remember 3 clear days. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Now again, please remember all the points which is important. The first one is that you have to remember, the banker's book, ABCD, just make a LCD, ABCD, LCD, ABCD, LCD. Okay, legal proceeding. This is not much, but please, when this come na, that whether arbitration comes under banker's book for this one justice, the answer is yes. So this is also important. This is important. Definition of judge. Certified copy is important. Just make a, it's a true copy, that's it. And yeah, who have a power? State government have a power. Mode of proof. This is the certified copy is the prima facie evidence, admitted as an evidence. Okay. And where bank is not a party, we cannot compel bank to come. Okay. And this 3 clear days, the notice of the bank should be served to the bank. Notice of the court should be served to the bank. That's it. Okay. That's all for today's class. And see, this is a bilingual batch which is going to be start from 15th February. So it's a request, those who want a real preparation, so if they are targeting for May-June exam. So this bilingual batch is going to be start from 15 February, 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. LRAB from 7 March. Okay, and this is the English medium batch. We have just changed something. 21st March the batch is going to be start because of delay of your exam. That's why we have shifted the time of this one. Okay, so please don't mind. Those who have already purchased the course, not to worry. The session will be start from 21st March itself. Okay, do not worry. Now, how to purchase this one? Now, how to purchase this one? I'm just going to tell you how you can easily purchase. So first of all, just open the Adda site. Okay, you have to open the Adda site. I think the image is shown to you. Okay, so you have to just scroll and click on JAIIB cap, click on JAIIB, and see, these are the online live classes. Okay, online live classes is there. So if you just click on this one and see, this is a revision batch. Oh, Priyanshu ma'am also came, so this is a very good news to all of you. So in the revision batch you can easily purchase this one. Okay, click on view offer and apply the coupon code Y391. Click on apply. You can see 76% discount is there in this revision batch. So this is a very good batch. Please come and just revise your whole syllabus. You can also see the study plan here, okay, of PPB study plan. The batch is going to be start from 14 Feb, 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, this is a study plan of this revision batch, and 3000 plus question, 6-month validity is there. So you can easily revise all the questions of LRAB, PPB and AFB. Simply Y391, you have to apply the code and click on. You can see 76% discount is there in 3000 plus batch. Okay, and the next one is your English medium batch. You can see English medium batch is going to be start from 21st of March. Okay, 21st of March your English medium batch. So those who want to purchase, they can easily purchase. And see, this JAIIB ka Maha pack is important. Why I am saying? Because JAIIB ka Maha pack, its validity is of 6 months. Whatever new course, foundation batch, crash course, revision batch, numerical batch of AFB, case study batch, everything will be included in this JAIIB ka Maha pack. This is not the actual price. If you click on view offer, okay, and just apply the coupon code Y391 and click on apply, you can see discount minus 20,000 discount. It means only 5,979. Only that much price you have to pay for JAIIB ka Maha pack. It's also include the test series, mock paper, ebook, etc. So JAIIB ka Maha pack will be really give benefit to the freshers if they want to purchase this JAIIB ka Maha pack. Okay, and see, 2022, just make a target that you have to clear this exam in 2022, because in 2022 23, your whole syllabus is gonna to change. LRAB subject is just removed from your JAIIB exam, so that's why just make a pledge that you have to crack this JAIIB exam in 2020. Okay, that's all for today's class. Hope so you like the session, important section. Okay, and you can also tell me that, ma'am, I just want to know the important section of this act. You just write in a comment box. Okay, so hope so. Good night and have a nice